Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with A to Z for alphabetic. Okay children, first of all, this is red color. A for ambulance. This is blue color. B. B for banana. This is pink color. C. C for carrot. This is purple color. D. D for donut. This is orange color. E. E for elephant yam. This is yellow color. F. F for frog. This is green color. G. G for giant. This is green color. H. H for hat. This is black color. I. I for igloo. This is green color. J. J for jaguar. This is yellow color. K. K for kangaroo. This is red color. L. L for lollipop. This is blue color. M. M for magnet. This is pink color. N. N for notebooks. This is purple color. O. O for orange. This is orange color. P. P for penguin. This is yellow color. Q. Q for Q. It's green color. R.
Hello friends, come sing with me. It's time for fun.
R for rose. This is the green color. S. S for ship. This is black color. T. T for tiger. This is green color. U. U for unicorn. This is yellow color. V. V for van. This is red color. W.
F is for fish. G is for goat.
Watermelon.
I is for boo.
This is blue color. X. X for xylophone. This is pink color. Y. Y for yogurt. This purple color Z. Z for zoo.
L is for lion.
Okay, children. Bye.